I told you you'd end up working at Denny's.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go over the 15-second time frame strategy. Let's start with Riot Stock. We're going to keep it simple. Riot Stock, 15-second time frame. Let's go to the 15-second time frame. If you have Moomoo, this is easy. 15-second time frame. If you have an updated Moomoo, go up here, and if it says update Moomoo, go to indicators, type in MACD, MACD, low mess, settings, change div to white, change this to yellow, DEA, and keep this unchecked, 12, 26, and 4. And you're good. You have the exact same setup. We go to the 15-second time frame, and when the white line crosses the yellow line, you buy. And then you set a take profit of 10 cents. If it's a green day, it's just going to keep going up. And you're going to make money. A lot of it. So, for example, let me just zoom out here and go here. Yeah, here's a perfect example. So, if it's a green day, in a green day, what happens? The price just keeps going up over the course of the day. So, let's say you bought here. White line crosses the yellow line at around 14.22. You set a take profit of 10 cents. It moves in your favor about 20 minutes later. You make your, let's say you buy, if you're day trading, you have the account size. You buy 1,000 shares, you take your $100 profit, rinse and repeat. You get another signal right here. You get another signal, and you buy at 14.40, 10 cent take profit, and then probably 20 minutes later, you make your money right here. You make another 100. That's $200 you went up. And then you do it again. You got another signal right here, and you rinse and repeat. You make another $100. Boom, you're up $300. Now, why does this work? Well, because it's a green day, it keeps going up. It's hard to lose. You just buy on every signal, set the 10 cent take profit, rinse and repeat. If it's a red day, you're gonna buy on the signal, and you're just gonna make no money. And at that point, it becomes a swing trade. Those of you in the Discord have seen me alert Riot Stock. In fact, this happened recently. Last week, I alerted like 750 shares of Riot Stock for day trading and swing trading. Well, guess what happened to the day trade? It became a swing trade because we tanked on Tuesday, aka today. So it became a swing trade. So that's all there is to it. If you buy on one of these signals and it never goes up to your 10 cent take profit, that's okay. It becomes a swing trade. You wait for the swing trade to play out. It moves 10 cents in your favor. You make your 100, and then you continue the process of rinse and repeating the same, buying on the signal, taking the $100, rinse and repeat. In a sideways day, you're probably not going to make much. You're probably going to make a lot less if you're lucky. Maybe it comes up and moves 10 cents in your favor. But the thing about sideways days, today's a sideways day, if you can tell. It's a sideways day. If we zoom out, it's a sideways day. So yeah, on a sideways day, if you're unlucky, you're probably going to buy and you're just not going to make anything. And then it just becomes a swing trade, and that's okay. If it's a sideways day, you might make some money. Like it's sideways. That's the problem. It's not going anywhere. A green day is the easiest because it just keeps going up. The price just keeps surging higher over the course of the day, so you just keep making $100 over and over and over again. So that's just kind of, how do I say this? Not the cost of business, but we're gonna have green days and red days, right? We can zoom out to the daily time frame. We're gonna have green days. We're gonna have red days, and that's okay. On the green days is where you're gonna make money, a lot of it. On the red days, it becomes a swing trade. It comes back up for you, and you resume your strategy of buying when the white line crosses the yellow line. You've seen me do this. So, yeah, that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. White line crosses yellow line in 15-second time frame. Set 10 cent take profit. That is it for. I'm kidding. No. We're not done with the video. I know some of you are wondering, wait, but how do I do this with other stocks? So with other stocks, you would have to, let's say you like APLD. So if you want to day trade APLD using the 15-second time frame strategy, the only thing you have to figure out, because the buy signal is the same, white line crosses yellow line, you buy. The sell signal isn't going to be 10 cents because every stock is different in terms of volatility. Some are way more volatile, some less volatile. So the easiest way to figure out your sell signal is you look at the chart and you see, oh, white line crosses yellow line. I would have bought at 34.28, and then it reached a high of 34.42. So your take profit would be about 10 cents, really, I think is what you would go for, just to make sure that you actually get filled. Yeah, it would be 10, it would be 14 cents, but you got to take the volatility into account. So when you buy, you're not going to get filled at exactly the price you want. Same thing, you're not going to get filled on the sell at the exact price well, you will. Yeah, because no, my bad. Yeah. What's funny is this stock is like, it's almost like, yeah, it's double the price of Riot, but the take profit is pretty much 10 cents. It's the same amount, 10 cents. So yeah, yeah, it would be 10 cents. So always subtract like a few cents to make sure you actually get filled. But yeah, so that's how you figure out the sell signal. You know the buy signal is white line crosses yellow line, and you just figure out, okay, I would have bought here at the top of the candle, and then it went to a high here before pulling back. So yeah, 10 cent take profit for APOD, and you can just do this with anything, right? Let's go to NVTS. Let's see, white line crossed yellow line. You would have bought it around 8.32, and it hit a high here at 8.36. Wow, this thing sucks. It's not very volatile today, at least. Yeah, it kind of only moved. Did it really only move 4 cents? It's kind of pathetic. You probably wouldn't want to trade this. Cause I mean, I guess you could buy 1,000 shares and flip it for a penny, and you'd make $10. Like that's what you can do that if you want. But I don't think this one is a good one for day trading. If it's only moving a few pennies after the signal, it's not worth it. All right, that's it. I'll stop there.